100 billion galaxies. That is the conservative estimate. 100 billion islands of light, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. Orbiting these stars are trillions of planets. Many of them are in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, where liquid water, the crucible of life as we know it, could exist. The numbers are so staggering they lose all meaning. In a universe this vast and this old, a universe of near infinite possibility, our galaxy alone should be teeming with civilizations. It should be a glittering network of empires, a cacophony of signals, trade routes, and cosmic wonders. And yet, when we point our instruments to the sky, we hear nothing, we see nothing, only a profound, deafening silence. This is the Fermi Paradox, and its most chilling proposed solution is known as the Great Filter. The theory, proposed by economist Robin Hanson, is elegantly simple. For a civilization to progress from a dead planet to a galaxy-spanning empire, it must pass through a series of critical evolutionary and technological steps. First, the right star system must form. Then, life must arise from non-living matter, a process called abiogenesis. That simple life must then evolve into complex eukaryotic cells. Those cells must form multicellular organisms. Those organisms must develop intelligence. That intelligence must create technology. And that technology must allow the civilization to colonize other worlds and eventually other stars. The Great Filter theory states that at least one of these steps is so difficult, so astronomically improbable, that it acts as a barrier, a wall that almost nothing can get past. This filter is the reason the universe is silent. The critical question, the one that defines our entire existence, is a simple one. Where, on this long chain of improbable events, is the filter? There are two possibilities, and one of them is far more terrifying than the other. Possibility 1. The Great Filter is behind us. This is the optimistic, hopeful scenario. It suggests that one of the steps we have already completed was the near impossible one. Perhaps the filter was abiogenesis itself. The jump from a sterile soup of chemicals to the first self-replicating life might be so rare that it has only happened once, here on this world. Or maybe the filter was the leap to complex cellular life. For 2 billion years, life on Earth was nothing but simple bacteria. The evolution of the eukaryotic cell, with its complex internal machinery, was a freak accident, a one-in-a-trillion event that set the stage for everything that followed.
If this is true, it means we are special. It means we are the first, or among the very first. The silence of the universe is not an absence of life. It is the sound of an empty frontier, a pristine wilderness waiting for us. We are not late to the party. We are the party. But then there is possibility 2. The Great Filter is ahead of us. This is the pessimistic, chilling scenario. It suggests that the early steps, the origin of life, the evolution of intelligence, are actually quite common. The universe, in this view, is filled with burgeoning young civilizations, full of art, science, and hope. But something always stops them. Something always prevents them from reaching the galactic stage. If this is true, then the silence of the universe is not an empty frontier. It is a graveyard. The silence is a warning. What could this future filter be? The possibilities are born from our own deepest fears. Perhaps it is self-destruction. A civilization reaches a certain technological tipping point and invariably destroys itself through nuclear war, engineered plagues, or runaway climate change. Perhaps it is a technological trap, the creation of a super-intelligent AI that turns on its creators, or a nanotechnology that consumes the planet. Or perhaps the filter is a natural cosmic event, A nearby gamma-ray burst that sterilizes entire sectors of the galaxy. A supervolcano eruption that plunges a world into an eternal winter. In this scenario, we are not special because we are the first. We are only special in that we have not yet reached the end. The silence is the sound of past failures, a chorus of cosmic ghosts whispering that our fate is already sealed. The search for extraterrestrial life, therefore, takes on a new, more urgent meaning. It is no longer just a quest for companionship. It is a search for data points to solve the most important question in human history. Paradoxically, the best news we could receive would be nothing. Continued silence would support the idea that the filter is behind us. The worst news imaginable would be the discovery of simple microbial life on Mars or Europa. Such a discovery would prove that the first steps are easy, making it terrifyingly more likely that a devastating filter awaits all intelligent species, including ourselves. When we gaze up at the silent stars, we are not just looking for others, we are looking for a reflection of ourselves, trying to decipher our own destiny. Are we looking at our past or our future? The answer defines not just our place in the cosmos, but the very meaning of our survival.